Welcome to another new awesome wonderful video. Today I'm going to be showing you a site that pays you, probably is an application that pays you £5. I say £5, just me chatting with them, messaging them, and sending photos online. I mean, £5 is real legit. All you have to do is go down to Play Store and download this app. Welcome to my channel, Elite Info. Today I'm going to be showing you a new wonderful video which you will really love and appreciate. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload new interesting wonderful videos. So I upload new massive lovely videos on how to make money online. So let's get down to business. Today we're talking about there's a company, it's called Street Bees. It pays you to answer questions and send photos through their messaging system right on your mobile phone. I mean, it's just very simple. You just got a spare few minutes, fancy earning cash rewards for answering questions about what you are up to. Download the Street apps and become a bee today and balls. You understand? So you earn massively £5. You earn £5 just doing this. You earn £5 doing this with them. You earn £5. So you could download their app on Play Store and App Store. So here you complete cool tasks for some of the world's biggest brands like Unilever, PepsiCo, Mars, Sony Pictures, and Danone, and the rest of them. So here, some Bees mobile apps allows brands to truly understand the consumer by using the stories, photos, and videos you search. With us, we provide brands with life insights into how you think about how you think about and the use of their product. So what this literally means, like brands like Unilever, we're gonna pay them to question you on how effective their product or goods may be. Okay, how you use the product, how the product is, your own review on the product. You understand? So this is how it works. You download the app, or you once you download their Street Bees app onto your smartphone, you create a bee account. Don't forget, you need a PayPal account. Don't forget you to add your PayPal details so you can start any cash reward straight away. So here now I have a video, is down the description, linking you to how to create a PayPal account if you live in a country that PayPal isn't available, or PayPal is being restricted. You could own a PayPal account over there and start earning massively. Join the moving train to start earning. So select a story. So their tax has a new name called story. That's what they call the tax. So select the story and respond to the chat style question in as much details as you can. Take photos and videos where possible. So they pay you sending photos, videos, and questions and your reviews. That's your answers to them. So this lovely company is owned by the is a market research company owned by England and is located in England. It pays you just answering questions. You understand? So these are the stories available worldwide. This month is 6,800, and questions have been answered this week is 2,008,878, and the photos uploaded is 4,142. That means people are earning from this massively. I tell you, people are earning from this massively. So join in the moving train. I mean, join in. You don't need you earn here. I mean, you earn really £5 for just answering a story. Then okay, if we should calculate it, if you should earn £5 just answering the stories, check if you should answer like 10 stories a day. So it's just 5 times 10. which will be giving you £50 a day. So let's get down to their Play Store app. Here's it. This is your Play Store app available on Play Store. So there's Street Bees. So once you install this app, you'll be rewarded for just sharing your ideas with brands. So those brands that sponsor them, and tell your thoughts by chatting. You see, these are a question, a complete life experience they do ask, and these are their reviews. So these are fits about them. So when you get down here now, it tells you, see what I was telling you here. You see, not your standard Sovereign app. Share your moments of your everyday life with us and get paid up to £5 each time you do this. You see, just from your hobby. So you should check out here. So you check out here from your hobby or what you snack on to the technology you use. We want to know what you are up to. You can share as much as little as you like. You are in complete control. You see, they ask you big questions, and you answer those questions, and you get paid. I mean, you just, they ask you those questions, you get paid. Once you, okay, this is how it works. This is how this company works. Once you complete their questions, their questions in which they ask you and they review your questions, and your question get verified, you get paid instantly. I mean, you get paid instantly. Now, it doesn't require any skill. No skill required. It's just you get paid instantly, and it has one lovely thing about this app. It has no minimum payout. So once your review is being verified, you get paid instantly. You understand? No minimum payout. So once you answer the first story and it's verified, you could move your earnings directly to your PayPal account instantly. Isn't that wonderful? I mean, isn't that wonderful? That's lovely. So these are their reviews. 4.4, review. So that's a nice points, for a good app. So these are people's own review here. Maybe it's too early to write a review, but for me, it works all well for now. So I tell you, it works. I mean, it works. See, these are people's review. You could get down here, you check people's review, you see. I have only been using this app for a few days, and only about 15 minutes to 20 minutes each day that she spends little of her time. You understand? She spends little of her time. Now she has already earned about $10. About $10 from this app. She's in $10. About $10. She earned, this individual in $10 for just spending just little. She's just doing it for just about few days now. So she has just earned $10. Just really see it. She just earned $10 just for 15 to 20 minutes of using this app. Man, this damn lovely. This lovely. This is really great. This is really great. So it was free to have it transferred from my PayPal account to my bank in just 1 to 3 days. Man, it's fast, really fast, really fast. These are sweet reviews about this app. I mean, these are sweet reviews about this app. I have had very few disqualifications, and these are own thoughts, and everybody's open to each of their own thoughts. So here is also available in App Store for those who use iPhone. So this app here, Street Bees, and this is 4.5 review, man. So it has a higher review over here in App Store than in Play Store. So people are loving this app. I mean, seriously, people are loving this app. This app is great. You could earn massively with this app at your little spare time. The other just spent 10 to 15 minutes. Just spent 10 to 15 minutes on the app and has earned $10. You understand? Has in $10 just 10 to 15 minutes of being spending on this app. That's lovely. That's very lovely. So now your requirements to get started and start enjoying the earnings from this app. Just chatting with them is you get you need to be 13 years of age and above, to start this program. You sign up with a Gmail account, the Gmail account in your Facebook account, and you provide your mobile number. They will send you an activation code to your mobile number to activate your account, so you start in it. So don't forget, you need a PayPal account. So you see there, don't forget, you need a PayPal account for this. You need a PayPal account for this. See it here, you need a PayPal account for this. So I have a link in my description showing you how to create a PayPal account to receive fund anywhere in the world. So I am your lovely friend who always available to assist you on anything about earning online. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified anytime I post new awesome videos. So these are my videos. You could come here, I give you videos on how to earn massively online. I mean, you earn massively online here. So here now I review on how you earn money massively online. So do well to watch this video to the end, and make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button. Thanks.